Are you a homeowner with gas-powered lawn equipment? I'm Eddie Field with Field Guided DIY with a helpful tip that could save you hundreds of dollars in repair costs. You see, when I recently purchased this Stihl brand FS56CE gas-powered string trimmer, I came out of the hardware store with it in the box, and there was a gentleman who was just a regular customer, came out and he said, "Hey, did you pick up the Stihl 2-cycle engine oil?" I said, "No, I did not." He said, "You may want to go back inside and buy yourself a small bottle of this Stihl High Performance 2-cycle engine oil." I said, "Why is that?" He said, "Well, because I did not. I just used regular over-the-counter 2-cycle engine oil, and it was not Stihl brand." And he said, if you check your manual, you will see that they recommend 2-cycle engine oil from Stihl. And I said, "But they recommend that." He said, "Well, that's the thing. They recommend it, but they recommend it, actually they require it for your warranty." And I'm like, "They can't do that." They said, "Yeah, they can." So evidently, what they do is when he went back and he actually had to have it repaired, and he had not used Stihl 2-cycle engine oil. He used the other brand and an off brand from the big box stores. And what they did is they actually went in and they took a sample from his gas tank as well as from his carburetor and ran it. I guess they sent it back to the manufacturer. So it says in the manual, this engine is certified to operate on unleaded gasoline and Stihl 2-cycle engine oil, 50-to-1 mix ratio. It says your engine requires a mixture of high quality gasoline and 2-stroke air cooled engine oil. Okay? Use mid-grade unleaded gasoline with a minimum octane rating of 89 and no more than 10% ethanol content. So what happens is you go to your local gas station and they have 10% ethanol added to your gasoline, and that causes your engine to run hotter. Now what happens is, since it runs hotter, it damages the aluminum block and sends it out of round from heating up and cooling down to heating up and cooling down because it's an air-cooled aluminum block. So it sends your cylinder out of round and your piston stays in round, and as a result, you lose compression in your engine because you're running ethanol added fuel and it's running hotter. So what they recommend you do is you run 10% or less, or what I recommend is ethanol free if you're going to do the mix. Now, and then Stihl brand 2-cycle engine oil. Or you can use Stihl Moto Mix. Stihl Moto Mix is ethanol free fuel in conjunction with Stihl High Performance 2-cycle engine oil added, already mixed together. So they say, to ensure the maximum performance of your Stihl engine, use a high-quality 2-cycle engine oil to help your engine run cleaner and reduce harmful deposits. Stihl recommends using Stihl HP Ultra 2-cycle engine oil, or ask your dealer for an equivalent synthetic 2-cycle engine oil to meet requirements of the EPA and CARB. We recommend you use Stihl HP Ultra oil. Stihl recommends the use of Stihl Moto Mix. And then it goes on to describe. So it doesn't say it's going to void your warranty, but what this gentleman was telling me was that they do in fact send it back to the lab to verify that you used the correct octane as well as Stihl 2-cycle engine oil. I said, "What happened? What did you have to do?" He said, "Well, actually, they would not cover the cost of the repair." I said, "No way. Did you fight?" He said, "Yeah, I did." But they said, they had me over a barrel. They said that our chemical analysis suggests that you did in fact not use Stihl 2-cycle engine oil. You used the off-brand 2-cycle engine oil. I'm like, "So what happened?" He said, "I had to pay out of pocket." And I said, "So what was that going to be?" And he said, "Well, that was going to be equivalent to the cost of a new string trimmer." So he opted not to get his Stihl string trimmer repaired, but just went and bought another one that was just like $40 less than the cost of the repair. I say all that to say that if you've got a Stihl gas-powered piece of equipment, whether chainsaw, leaf blower, or string trimmer, make sure you cover your behind and you have Stihl High Performance 2-cycle engine oil. If you don't, you may find yourself in an argument or a discussion with the repair shop. Now, I'm not an attorney, I don't know the difference, and I could not argue in a court of law or a small claims court whether or not recommended is required. That's going to be on you and what your conversation is like with the repair shop. But to be on the safe side, I recommend that you get Stihl brand high performance 2-cycle engine oil and mix that with ethanol-free gasoline. Are you or someone you know a Stihl employee? Please drop a note in the comments below whether it's required or recommended. See if it would void your warranty if you used an off-brand as opposed to the Stihl 2-cycle engine oil. Or if you've had a similar experience to the gentleman who caught me in the parking lot and that they've told you the repair would not be covered because you had not used Stihl 2-cycle engine oil, let me know. Or maybe you have a similar experience with another manufacturer that voided the warranty because you didn't use their particular 2-cycle engine oil or moto mix. Drop in the comments below as well. If you've not yet purchased a gas-powered piece of lawn care equipment, click the image on your screen now to see 5 reasons why you should not buy a gas-powered lawn care equipment. I'll see you in the next video.